Alright boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So Mura Masa with a song called Together. Never heard about Mura Masa before, but this one is a cool one, and we have a capo set here on the first fret and only 3 chords to handle, so easy peasy there. Let's start with C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have F. So you bar all strings here on the 1st fret, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. So that's F, and the final chord will be E. So open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. So this one starts very easy. So it's only downs for this song here. And you're gonna play 8 downs for F. Then you're gonna shift and play 8 downs for C. Then you're gonna do that for 3 rounds. So F, C, F, and C. So 8 downs for each chord there, 3 times back and forth, F and C. And after this final C on the 3rd round, you play the E, and you're gonna play 16 downs on this E. So let's go for one chord progression here, F, C times 3, and then E there in the end with 16 downs. So let's go. F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is one verse there. Second verse starts in the lyrics, rest on my arm here. So that's a second verse, and that is played in the exact same way. The only thing different here is on the last chord here, on this second verse, the E. You will just play this one for 12 times, and then you have a short break there, okay? So that is the only difference there. Then starts the chorus, and it starts in lyrics, but I just wanted to be together. So it starts in the same way here. So you're gonna play 8 downs for F, 8 downs for C, F, C, F, C, 8 downs for each chord, and then E, 16 downs. But then it starts all over again, same lyrics there, so you can say, it's first half, and you will play the second half now, and it's still same in the lyrics again. So but I just wanted to be together, and so on. So for the first round, you play in the same way as you played for the verse, and then on this second round, you're just gonna play 1 down for F, 1 down for C, and you continue that, 1 down F, 1 down C, 1 down F, 1 down C, and then 1 down on E. Okay. So I don't think we need to play through that. It's very obvious how it's done. So the first part there, it's exactly the same chord progression as for the verse. And the second half here for this chorus, only 1 down for each chord, same chord progression there. Okay. Then after this chorus here starts post-chorus, I guess, where he's saying it's together many times, I believe like 7 times. So here we need to incorporate a clap here in the strumming, but very easy. So you will play 2 rounds, okay? So 2 rounds of the chord progression, same as in the verses there. So C, F, C, F, C, F, C, and then E. So that will be for 2 rounds, but you will play for the F and C, you will play down, clap, okay? So you will play F, F, C, C, down, clap, down, clap, down, clap, down, clap, and a final round, F, C, C, and now E. You're gonna play 4 times. Down, clap, clap, down, clap. And it goes in the same way for another chord progression there. C, C, F, F, C, C, F, F, C, C, and then E, E, down, clap, down, clap. Okay, so that was the post chorus together. Yeah. Then starts the second chorus right after this one, and that is played in the same way as we learned for the first chorus. But only difference here is that you're gonna play just one part of it. So you're gonna play this downs there. So that's the first parts of the first chorus. You're gonna play that for this second chorus. Otherwise, the same. And then it ends with a post chorus, the second one, and it's played in the same way as the post chorus we just went through here. So same there, and then it ends one down on F. So yeah, that pretty much covers this Mura Masa song called Together. So I hope this was helpful for you guys, and see you soon. Don't forget to play tuned.